तो काम पे था, मेरी वाइफ भी ऑफिस में काम कर रही है, वो आए तो ये भी रो रहा था और ये उल्टी सीधे जुबान से जो भी मुंह से निकल रहा था वो दे रहा था इनको.
And the man in question is their 35-year-old landlord Suleiman. He's being accused of raping the little girl. Police have arrested the accused while his family is trying to settle the matter out of court.
तो इनके भाई माँ मुझे समझा रहे हैं कि नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ. ये मैंने बोला कि अभी तो ये इज्जत की बात है. आज मेरी बेटी के ऊपर क्या ऐसे हालात के ऊपर आ गए, कल किसी पड़ोसी को और बेटी आ जाएगी.
Police officials say they are taking the case very seriously.
हमारी ये कोशिश है कि इसको जब गिरफ्तार किया है तो इसको सजा भी दिलाई जाए ताकि आइंदा कोई ऐसा वाक़या रुनवा ना हो.
The accused denies raping the child but acknowledges molesting her. On his part, the accused claims that he didn't actually rape the girl. He says that while he was attempting to rape her, the mother of the victim walked in and, of course, started shouting, which gathered the attention of the police as well as the area people. The girl has now been taken to a hospital for medical examination, and, of course, only that will determine the course of the investigation. Hasan, Abdullah, Dawn News, Karachi.